Open the Tifants app, and first you have to log in as the owner. So go ahead and type your username and password. After logging in, choose your school. In my case, this is my school. The next step is to go to the class option and create a class for the children. Create name, description, and add the charge that you want. And tap on Submit. Now you will go to the Child option and tap on the Add Child button. You will have to fill all the necessity details about that child, like name, class, date of birth, blood group, any allergies or medications. After you are done, tap on Next. Now fill the guardian details. Once you are done, click on the Save button. You successfully created the guardian. The guardian will receive the username and password in their email address.